Hey guys, I just went around my whole house to get ingredients for slime. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get, actually, never mind, this glue right here, and I'm gonna cut them all open. So I think we'll start with the glue. So if you've never made slime before, pretty much just two ingredients, and then you could add different stuff to them. Well, it's more like 3 ingredients, but yeah. Sorry about that. That was my cat. She is totally a wild beast, I'll tell you that. She's related to a bobcat. So let's finish the glue. I think we'll add the glitter now. Okay, which one?
Can't really see you adding it.
So this is the glitter. I choose blue.
I still don't see it. I still don't see it.
So I added the glitter, and that's what it looks like right now. So I think we'll add the baking soda. Okay, so we're done with that. Last one is the activator, the most important one. Okay, so we got that activator in. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. And we're gonna see how it turns out, if we need more activator. So this is what it looks like right now. If you don't like glue, you probably won't like slime. It is pretty pokey and squishy. And you can just barely feel the glitter. So So it's the spin slime. And that's how you make slime. So you pretty much just need activator, glue, and baking soda. I like to add glitter. And that's how you make slime, and bye!